Hello friends, welcome to Farhan and Fariha studio. Today we are going to make a masterchef cap. So we need 4 A4 sheet papers, red and black marker, pencil, glue or stapler you can keep. Anyone you can use. Let's get started. First take 2 A4 sheets and join them like this. So here we have joined the paper and the first step of our craft is done. Now let us keep it aside. Let us take the other 2 A4 sheets. For it, it's very simple. Like how we make a fan, you have to fold it. One this way and one opposite way. One we have folded like this, so one will fold the opposite side with equal size, like this. We have made one folded paper. We have folded it like a fan. Now we'll do the same with this paper also, as you can see. Now again we are going to join them together like this with one. So here I have joined the 2 papers with the glue. Now let us take the paper which we have joined before, this paper. So we are going to keep it like this. We'll keep like this and then we will fold into half, as you can see here. And now we will fix them together like this, so it becomes like this. So for it is better to use a stapler. Join these papers like this. From one side they are joined. Now this is the other side. Cap is almost ready. So for joining the 2 ends, first we have to take the measurement of our head. First of all, you can take the measurement of your head by keeping it on your head, and then you can stick it. I'm going to join the 2 ends together. I'm using a glue. You can also use a stapler. Chef cap is ready. Now we have to we have to draw MasterChef logo, red and black. The M logo will be done with red and the MasterChef which is written will be done with the black. And my MasterChef cap is ready.